Welcome. In this video, I'll show how to hide link previews after clicking on a link in the Facebook app on your PC using the latest update. If you've noticed that Facebook automatically shows previews when you click links and you want more control over that, this quick setting adjustment will help you clean up your browsing experience. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your PC and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the home screen, look at the top right corner and click on your profile photo. This will open a drop-down menu with different options. From here, scroll down and find Display and Accessibility and click on it. This section contains settings related to how content appears and behaves on your screen. Next, click on Accessibility Settings. This will take you deeper into options designed to improve how you interact with Facebook. Now, look for Keyboard and Assistive Technology settings and open it. Inside this section, you'll find several customization options related to navigation and content display. Find the option labeled Show Previews of Links. Click on it to continue. You'll now see different choices. Select Show Preview after clicking. This setting ensures that previews won't appear automatically, but only when you choose to interact with the link. After selecting the option, don't forget to click on Save to apply the changes. And that's it. You've successfully updated your settings to control how link previews appear on Facebook. This small tweak can make a big difference, especially if you prefer a cleaner interface or want to reduce distractions while browsing. If you found this helpful, feel free to check out more quick Facebook tips to improve your experience.